Hello, thanks for dropping in. So this is the second pet I'm tinkering on, and I'm just going to see if I can, nope. That's the program I had put in. It just prints Commodore PET 2001, Commodore PET 2001. That's what I loaded off of the tape. And as you can see, it's got issues, which leads me to believe there are definitely RAM issues in the very lowest of the RAM, I think. But I'm going to try. Now, there are keyboard issues going on, so I'm going to do a load. I'm going to press play. Let's see what happens. Now, the last time I tried to load something, it came up with some strange illegal quantity error. And maybe it will freeze up. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I rewound. Hang on. Yeah, we're frozen again. We are frozen up tight. So definitely this machine has some issues. And I'm not sure if I open this up, if I can open this up like this. Maybe I can. That doesn't really show much of anything that's helpful. It does not show the chocolates upon the circuit board. And where it is right towards the right side, right around the RAM area. And how did it get there? I don't know. Somewhere in the history of this machine. Next door, by the way, the other pet is still running. 4K Poker 1.2. It's now been running for 754 seconds, 755, and on it goes. So there's no point in letting that continue. It's funny though, as I have turned that off, the cassette motor continues to spin. And as I've said before, I seem to have issues with this machine, I think, after I changed the cassette. I think. Anyway, I must go back and see what I can see. I must. So for the moment, we are stuck on the screen. If you have ever seen this before, if you have any insights, comments, or anything at all, please do not hesitate to drop me a line and say, oh yeah, I know what that is. Because I don't know exactly why. My suspicion though is RAM chips, and I suspect I will be testing more RAM chips in this other machine that seems to be working. Also, because of course it is not fully populated. It at the moment has, I would say, 7K rather than 8K. Because I know that two sockets are empty. Anyway, I know this is exciting, so please, if you have any insights, don't hesitate to write to me. Thank you very much for coming. Bye for now.